Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I am here with entry number 15 for the Pocket Challenge. And this came from the lovely Eva Sefaridou, and it came all the way from Greece. So it's here, Eva, and I'm very happy. Eva did do a VR, so I do kind of know what her pockets look like, but I'm very excited to have a look at them. So let me just pull everything out here. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, here's a beautiful card. Oh, and something fell out. Look at this beautiful card. And this beautiful, oh, I love it. It's like this beautiful summery peach color. I love this color. It's so beautiful. Look at the beautiful satin bow here with flowers, and she's embossed the background here. What a gorgeous card, and a stick pin, and look at these beautiful feathers. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Love the paper. And this came out of it, so let me open it up and see. Kim, hi, I hope this finds you well. Here is my entry for your lovely challenge. I hope you like it. Hugs, Eva. Of course I will. And then this little envelope came out. So let me open this up. This is her information. So thank you for that, and her email. Okay, thank you, Eva. That's good to have. And then she's got her birthday and things that she likes, which are shabby chic and vintage. Thank you so much. That's good to have. I'm going to put that with the rest of my information I've been getting from everybody. So thank you for that. And here's another look at that beautiful card. And of course, you can find the link to her channel down in the description box below. Oh my gosh, look at these. They're beautiful. Wow. These are just amazing. Look at this. More of that gorgeous summery color. Oh, I love it. Look how pretty that is. So she's used, it's almost like a linen fabric here in white. And then she's got this beautiful flower that I'm sure she made. And then this beautiful lace right down here. Look at this. That is just gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. She's made a couple of bows here, and then some more beautiful lace and trim here on the top of the pocket. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I love it. And then this has got like a gimp here, but it's almost like a rosy peach color. It's just a little bit different, and it's just enough to sort of offset the color a bit. I love it. I love how you did that. Oh, look at this lace under here. It's just beautiful. And then some eyelash trim and some gimp, and then she's got a little bit of lace here going along the edge. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, Eva, that's just gorgeous. And there's, oh, something in the pocket. A little surprise. Oh my goodness. Okay, we'll look at that in a minute. We will look at that in a minute. There's another look at this absolutely stunning and gorgeous pocket. Oh, I love it. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh, I love it. I love the color. It's so fresh and bright and happy looking. I love it. Oh, I just absolutely love it. Oh, thank you. And then there's this one that she's done kind of in a vintage style. And she's used the same fabric here on the back, this beautiful white sort of linen fabric. Absolutely gorgeous. And then here she's used a white gimp trim going along the edges. And then she's made a flower here with some fabric here. It looks like a curtain fabric. And then there's a flower and an applique here And then she's put a couple of flower appliques here, and then she's put this really beautiful little gimp trim along the edge there. And then another little vintage looking lace there. And then when you flip it up, she's got gorgeous white lace here and this beautiful long eyelash trim. I love this trim. That's gorgeous. And then a little gathered trim here, some more appliques and flat backs, and then another layered flower here with an applique that she's created. And then some lace up here as well. Absolutely stunning. Really gorgeous. Really gorgeous. And aw, and she put something inside there for me too. So, oh my gosh, these are beautiful, Eva. Let me show you these one more time, you guys. Look how pretty these are. Absolutely stunning and gorgeous. Really beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love them. Thank you so much. And then in the first little pocket, she has put, looks like some fibers. I love fibers, so thank you, Eva. Let me pull these out of here. Oh, these are amazing. Oh, and she's got them tied up with this pretty little bow. Oh, look at this. I love this. Okay, I'm going to have to untie it because this is gorgeous. I love, love, love fibers. They're one of my favorite things. Look at this. I hope you can see that. Look at how pretty that is. Wow. That's what it looks like. It's variegated, so it starts off with this gold color. It's like all metallics. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Then it goes into a green. Oh my gosh, and then into a blue. And then a purple. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love this fiber. That is just beautiful. I've never seen one like that. I love it. Thank you. And you sent lots. Thank you so much. Look how pretty that is. It's just sparkling like crazy. I love it. Thank you, Eva. You're so sweet. And then we've got this one here, which is in some browns and beiges. So let me just undo that. So it looks like this. It's like a double layer, I think, maybe. Yeah. So there's what it looks like. And there you can see. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Wow, that's really soft. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, I can see using that on projects for sure. How pretty is that? It's like a chocolate. Oh, I love it. So soft. Thank you so much. And then this is similar to the first one, but it's in a beautiful ivory color. How gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So there it is. Like that. And it's got the sparkly fibers in it, and it's all in this beautiful ivory color. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Eva. I love these. And I'm definitely going to make good use of these. I love fibers, so thank you so much for those. These are gorgeous. Wow. I love them. Thank you, thank you. So there's those. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. That's crazy. It's so soft. And then in the other pocket was this. So let me just open this up. Oh my goodness, it is a beautiful, gorgeous piece of lace. Oh wow, look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at this, you guys. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Lace from Greece. How beautiful. Oh, I love it. And you sent a huge piece too. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Oh, oh, it's just beautiful. Thank you so much. I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah, I don't know if that'll help. You can see the pattern there a little better. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, it's gorgeous and it's so soft. Oh my gosh, Eva, thank you so much. That is just stunning and beautiful. Thank you. That was really kind of you and I really appreciate it. And thank you for the fibers and your gorgeous card. Absolutely stunning. And then here's a look at her two pockets again. There you can see how talented this lady is. Oh my goodness, they're amazing. So please go over and subscribe to her. The link to her channel is in the description box below. And thank you again, Eva, for joining in my challenge. I'm so glad that you did. And I will be back with another video shortly, guys. Take care. Bye for now.